All right, let's go ahead and let's check out PD Plushies. And this is by Sabi Preet Kaur. Hopefully I'm saying that name right as well. And it looks like we got another, these look like crochet as well. Let's see here. Velvet reversible crochet octopus. Oh, that's so funny. And then he's angry on the other side. That's hilarious. Let's check. And then we got a little video. Let's see what the video. So the video, you can see it flips. Very cute. Very cute. Happy and angry. That's kind of funny. A very cute, soft, velvety, reversible octopus. Super easy and quick to reverse and is a lot of fun. All right. I like it. Now, this keyword here, let's see what we get when we search this one up. Velvet reversible crochet octopus. And we've got 31 results. So that is not very good. You definitely want to get more results than that. Let's just try reversible crochet octopus. Let's see what we get there. 2,153. So that's a lot better. That's a lot more. So the velvet is just making it too specific. Not so many people know that there is velvet probably. So I think the that's a much better keyword. And now I've seen this kind of product before. I don't know if you're trying to go off of what this thing. You're welcome. No physical. I have seen this as like a there's a specific name for this product, and I don't know if you know of it, but I there's something with like people, they buy these little toys, and then they're like, when they want attention, they will have, when they're like receptive to people touching them, they flip it on the happy side, and then when they don't want attention, they flip it on the angry side. Maybe it's mood octopus. Mood toy. Let's check that out. Let's try mood toy. Mood toy. Okay, there we go. Mood. There's a specific name. I mean, I don't know if there is a specific name, but I've just heard of it. And it's like there's like this gift for loved ones. Let's see if these people have mood toy. Cuddly toy mood. Yeah, I don't know. There's like emotional toys. Maybe that's it, Deanna. Let's see. Emotional toy. Mood changing, brain base. There's so many different things. I don't know exactly what it is. Mood is emotional support. I've just seen this. It's like a trend. People are buying these, and for, like, I saw some guy who's like, my girlfriend's really, she's a little she's grouchy sometimes, she's happy sometimes. So whenever she flips her little toy on the happy side, I know I can hang out with her. When she flips it to the angry side, I leave it alone. So I don't know if there's like a specific, if it's like a specific disorder that people buy this for, but if you can figure out what it is, I've heard of it. It's a trend that people are getting into it, but I don't know what to define it as. So maybe emotional toy, mood toy, or something like that. But you definitely are going to want to find more keywords. And my first suggestion would be to just remove the velvet, because this one's a little bit better. Yeah, mood changing, something like that. Let's see, mood changing. Let's just Google it. Mood changing toys. We are looking here, guys, but I don't know if we can find it. I don't know. The ultimate color changing toys. Mood plush toy. Looks like there's other. Mood changing reversible octopus. The reversible octopus. What kind of mood you are in is up to you. So maybe I don't know if you got the idea from this one. Mood plush toy, but you could try that. Soft emotional support. You could try that too. So just a few ideas. My biggest suggestion would be to add overall more keywords to your listing title, and try to find more keywords. So Deanna's got a bunch of great suggestions here. Emotional toys, two-face toys, emotional support toys, mood changing toys, and I would get more keywords, and then I would just cut velvet. Now, the next thing I would recommend, the photo is really pretty and the product is pretty. Although I really like this plant, I don't know that it really makes sense It doesn't quite make sense to me in this context for this kind of a product. Um, it's not bad, but it doesn't quite make sense. So I would recommend like this one here is a little bit, it's kind of like on the couch or something. It's nice if you can stage these and make them, just look a little well staged. One thing you can actually do is even just take them outside in the grass. This one I see you've definitely got outside somewhere. Cute crochet clam. You got some trees, or you got this little bush here. But however you can stage it to make it look professional, look nice, and like some thought went into it, is always a good way to do it. This one I don't really like quite so much because it looks like he's just chilling on the couch here. And I think the gray elephant doesn't really contrast the dark couch as much. But if you had something that was more white or a bit of a different color, it would probably make the little elephant pop out a little bit more. And yeah, see this pink one, he actually stands out pretty well, but some of these guys are getting a little bit lost. These ones right here, Happy Velvet Crochet Jellyfish. So this one, again, I think what would be better for you to adjust your keywords, instead of doing Happy Velvet Crochet Jellyfish, I would just go with crochet jellyfish. And there we go. We've got 3,075 results. So a lot more searches here for crochet jellyfish than for Happy Velvet Crochet Jellyfish. Because normally people don't really use words like happy when they're looking for something like this, a product like that. So work on the keywords a little bit, try and get more keywords overall into your listing titles. Like 5 or 10 is a pretty good place to start. And then I would also recommend adding your shop policies here, like what your refund policy is, the shipping policy, different details like that. And let's see here, we even have some here on the membership site. If you go to the templates, I'll get you a link. We've got our fill in the blank shop policies. These are super easy to update. And it helps Etsy know what you're going to do with people and how you're going to take care of their customers. So I always recommend filling those details out. And then from the 8 sales you've got, send them a message and ask them if they would leave you a review, because reviews really help you get more sales overall. And I think that would help you out a lot. So love this shop. I think you've got some really pretty items here. And you're welcome. Thank you for sending it in.